Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields.
Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome back to Homes with Shields. This morning I'm over here in Franklin County, North Carolina, and I'm going to be taking you through our chestnut plan. So the chestnut is a 3-bed, 2-bath plan. It is at 1,007 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath. It does consist of an optional / site-built front porch, so you can do a really big front porch, medium-sized, small front porch. What you're looking at here is a 4x6 gable style there, 4x6 covered stoop. And then what's really nice about this plan as well, which is super convenient, is you do have a side loading utility room, which I'll take you through once we get inside. So again, this is our chestnut plan at 1,007 square feet. You control the front elevation as far as the porch, how big, how small. Obviously, you're always going to pick out your colors as far as the siding, the shutters, and all that stuff. So let's get in here and take a look. All right, so when you open that front door, as you can see, you are greeted by a really good sized living room. So to only be at 1,000 square foot, I am actually pleasantly surprised on how large this living room is. There's your front door. You got a double window in here, or 2 single windows letting in natural light. Got a can light there in the middle of the room. So really good size. So as you can see, this particular plan does start with carpet in the living room. I know most of the videos I've recorded, I kind of preach that the LVP, the luxury vinyl plank, is included in the main spaces and wet areas. What we're looking at today is actually a Homes Building Systems plan. So a few of the, what's included stuff is different. Obviously, all the stuff is still an option, but that's kind of the backstory of that. So here I'm showing you the dining area to the left, got your kitchen to the right. A few high notes on the kitchen. Number one, you're seeing the always popular white cabinetry, or white cabinet color today. You are seeing some granite tops, just a beautiful countertop selection here with the granite. Notice the mounted microwave. You've seen a ton of range hoods in my videos. There's a mounted microwave. You are seeing the 8-foot ceilings in today's video, okay? So just keep that in mind as you watch. Let's check out this cabinetry. I can already tell it's gonna be soft close, full extension, dovetail construction there. Very nice. All right, and then off of the dining is that side loading or side entrance utility room. So you've got a great spot for your washer and dryer, some storage up above that, and then you've got your exterior door, your electrical panel box there, and then this is actually your water heater access. So the water heater is behind that wall. You can access it from that panel. And then here's that exterior door taking you to that staircase. All right, so I'm back in the living room. I did want to hit that master bedroom before I got to the other end of the house. So before you got into the kitchen and dining, to my left is that master suite. I love Homes Building Systems included interior doors. A lot of detail, just a beautiful door there. The HBS included hardware, base molding. They do include that taller base molding, and they're included crown molding as well. Okay. There's that door. There's your closet door. I did want to point out one other thing too. Homes Building Systems only builds with the 2x6 wall. So as you can see here, this house is consisting of that 2x6 exterior wall, which includes thicker wall insulation. That is what you're seeing in today's video. And here is your master closet and master bath. Another cool thing that Homes Building Systems plans include are the cultured marble tops. So those are actually your included bathroom tops. Very, very nice. One thing I would say with the Homes Building Systems plans, anywhere you have flooring included, it is gonna they are gonna start you with the linoleum flooring. So that's something we can talk about. But again, carpet in the living room, linoleum where the flooring is included. If you want to, take that linoleum to the luxury vinyl plank or real hardwoods or whatever, that is always an option. But again, they start you with the linoleum flooring. Down this hallway, you've got a linen closet, bath 2, and then I've got the 2 bedrooms here, okay? So to my left is bath 2. And you'll have to bear with me, guys. I must admit, I did forget my gimbal stick today. So if the filming is a little not as smooth as normal, I messed up, okay? To the right is bedroom 3. Got your pull down in here to access that attic. And then I'm gonna show you the storage closets. There you go. A lot of storage in there. And then bedroom 3. All right, guys, so, oh, look at there. This one actually has a walk-in closet, so really good sized closet here. We walked the Chestnut plan. It is at 1,007 square feet. I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't have a ton of videos of plans of this size. It is a Homes Building Systems plan. It consisted of a optional / site-built front porch. So you can take that as far as you want to, as far as the cost of that porch, the style, all that stuff. If you have any questions, though, all my information is down there in the description. I want to thank you guys for all the subscriptions and new videos every Monday and Thursday at 4:30. Thank you, guys. Take care.